Drill Master Jesse. Now I'm at the BART construction site in San Jose, California. Our ultrasonic drilling monitor is at the site, providing the service for Malcolm Drilling for testing the ongoing project. Let's see how is the performance. Today we'll be doing a direct comparison with the Japanese brand Koden drilling monitor. Compared to Koden, our system is easier to operate, no generator needed. We can read data over Wi-Fi much faster, and all data can be saved directly to a computer. We've also sent our engineer to be on site for full support. From the data we collected last night, our device has shown very accurate monitoring results, and the customer's trench verticality is already looking excellent. Malcolm Drilling is one of the top 2 deep foundation contractors in the US. They are extremely professional and have very high standards for product quality. We are honored to have our drilling monitor support the site with real-time testing and monitoring.